everyone, and welcome to Game Art and Animation 51. I am so excited to get started and welcome you all. I just wanted to give a brief welcome and go over what game art and animation is about at its core. The industry is a very fun one, but it is important to understand that a lot of work goes into it. The artistry, dedication, and ability to work with technology is necessary for your growth and prosperity. Nothing is fully accomplished in life without hard work, and that goes for game design as well. Game art is one of the most influential steps working up to the entire game design process. Game artists build the foundation, characters, and world for other branches to work with. We give the worlds color, movement, and light through the animation process and storyboarding. In this class, we'll be going over all of those details, but for now, I just wanted to say hello and get you pumped for the upcoming assignments and modules. Week 1 will be basic, and we'll just be going over how game art and animation will work in this online class. It will get you started on the fundamentals. There are not many assignments this week, as we will mainly have introductions and discussions so that you will feel comfortable with the course material. And that's about it. I am always available to email if you have any questions, and I'm willing to work with you if you have any problems or issues with your technology or the class itself. And thank you. Keep creating.